All right, everybody, welcome back to Thunder RC. Back out here with the Traxxas Maxx Slash, and you'll notice the body is gone. I'm just rocking the roll cage. I really like this look. It's a lot more aerodynamic, and got the little booter ramp here. We're in a parking lot, and we're just gonna get this fun little bash in. Let's see how it does. I can't believe the amount of punishment this truck has taken. Ooh. Wow. That was a nice hit. Did he take it? Like a champ. No way it survived that, y'all. No way.
Can't be. Yeah, that's what I thought. We busted the drive shaft. But that hit would have broken it.
Yeah, that's what I thought. We busted a drive shaft. But that hit would have broken anything, y'all. Anything. Hopefully that's all it broke. Man, that was a hard hit. This is technically the first part that I've broken on this truck. But that hit was just as bad as it gets, y'all. It doesn't get any worse than that. This would have broken any car. Looks like I even bent the wheel a little bit. Look at that. Stand corrected. These new Traxxas drive shafts are legit. There's a metal insert in these things, and I bent it back and put it back together, y'all. And I think this is gonna save the day. Look at that. It's still not broken. I mean, I haven't bought a part to fix it. This is crazy. Does it? Look at that. No way. Oh! Cannot believe it. Look at that. Insane. You got lots of laundry there.
Oh yes, because I did not do the laundry before going to Disney.
So when you got back from Disney World, you didn't do the laundry?
No, I wasn't able to.
Ooh, so hot.
Yeah.
Give me my dirty undies.
No, no.
Unfortunately, today it is raining nonstop, so I'm not gonna be able to finish this video. This is where the video is gonna come to an end. I'm sorry guys that it did come out short, but you can see that I am putting this Maxx Slash through its paces. And yeah, I still haven't broken anything. Because in my book, if I didn't have to buy a part to fix it, then I didn't break it. And that drive shaft was salvageable, and this truck is still running, y'all. Definitely one of the toughest cars I've seen in a hot minute. And I'm not just saying that, I mean it. This thing really takes it. As always, appreciate you guys. Peace out.